August 2025 is packed with amazing things to see in the night sky. The moon and Mars, the summer triangle, and one of the brightest meteor showers all year. Let's break down the best sky events of the month so you don't miss a single one. The first major event is the full sturgeon moon on August 9th, which rises just after sunset. Look toward the eastern horizon for the bright orange-tinged disk, ideal for lunar photography or for a moonlit stroll. It's named by the First Nations for the peak sturgeon fishing season. On the mornings of August 11th and 12th, Venus and Jupiter will appear less than a degree apart in the pre-dawn sky. Step outside about 30 to 60 minutes before sunrise, face east away from city lights, and you'll see the two brightest planets huddled together. Binoculars or a small telescope make their bright duo even more spectacular. The Perseid's meteor shower will light up the sky from midnight to dawn on August 12th to 13th. With up to 100 meteors per hour under ideal conditions, it is one of the best shows of the entire year. Face northeast in the northern hemisphere away from city lights, lie back in a reclining chair to help your neck, and I recommend a blanket as it can get pretty chilly at night. These shooting stars are the debris from Comet Swift-Tuttle, which orbits the Sun every 133 years. And during the peak of the Perseids, the waning crescent moon will drift past Saturn and Neptune in the early morning sky. Look east with binoculars or a small telescope. Saturn's rings will peek out just beside the moon, while Neptune's blue-gray disk lies just beyond. And a couple days later, on August 16th, a thin crescent moon will glide past the Pleiades star cluster. Head outside around 4 to 5 a.m. local time, look east, and use binoculars or a wide-angle lens. The moon's slender crescent beautifully silhouettes the Seven Sisters, highlighting their electric blue hues. On the 19th, Mercury reaches its greatest western elongation, its best morning visibility of the month. Look low on the eastern horizon about 30 minutes before sunrise. I recommend using binoculars to see the small planet better. And after August 19th, Mercury begins to sink back down towards the Sun and eventually vanishes from view. So don't miss this rare appearance. And around that same time, from August 19th to 20th, the crescent moon joins Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter in a tight pre-dawn lineup. Look to the eastern horizon. Binoculars or a wide-angle lens will capture all four perfectly. This planetary lineup is perfect for night sky photography, with 3 planets and the moon all in one frame. On August 23rd, we get a new moon. No moonlight and perfect dark skies, as long as you don't live in a city. Otherwise, it kind of ruins it. But with the moon out of the way, it's prime time to spot any lingering Perseid meteors and any deep sky wonders like nebula, galaxies, and some fainter planets like Uranus and Neptune. On August 26th, around 8 p.m. local time, a thin crescent moon hovers beside Mars. Look to the western sky shortly after sunset. And fun fact, Mars is the only evening planet in August. Its ruby glow next to the moon is a must-see for naked eye viewers. This next one isn't any particular event, but definitely one of my favorite things to see in the summer, and I couldn't leave it off this list. All month long, you can spot the summer triangle, made up of the stars Vega, Deneb, and Alatar, high in the eastern sky after dusk. It'll be visible across most of the northern hemisphere and some southern locations, but to a lesser extent. This asterism serves as your celestial roadmap, defining surrounding constellations such as Cygnus, Lyra, and Aquila. You can find the beautiful bands of the Milky Way in Cygnus and the Ring Nebula in Lyra. And that is your stargazing guide for August 2025. Let me know in the comments which event you're most excited for, or if you got something amazing last month. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and subscribe if you're new so you never miss a month of sky events. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.